Cocktail lovers, it's your cocktail date with me, Cocktail Kate. We're going possibly the most famous gin drink in all the land. We're about to make the martini. We're gonna go wet, we're gonna go dry, and then we're gonna get dirty. And all it contains really are two different things, the dry vermouth, but the big dog is the gin. And we've gone with 58 gin. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chill my glassware. And when you know you're making a martini, keep your glassware in the freezer. Same with your gin, same with your tin. We're gonna go wet, dirty, and dry. Think of it extremely literally. When it's wet, you have more vermouth. When it's dry, you have less. So for the wet martini, 20 mils of vermouth. For the dirty, because the main component is the gin and the olive brine, I'm gonna only add 5 mils of vermouth in. Tiny little dash, and then 15 mils of olive brine. It depends on how dirty you wanna go. So 15 mils for me, relatively dirty. For the dry martini, we're literally gonna throw a tiny little hue, a little whisper, around 5 mils. Vermouth in, olive brine in, it's time for the gin. For the wet, 40 mils gin, 20 mils vermouth. So for the dirty, I'm gonna go for 50 mils of gin. And for the dry, 55. Contrary to James Bond's belief, traditionally, the martini is not shaken, it's stirred. I'm gonna fill my shakers with ice, as much ice as possible. The more ice, the less dilution. So we're just gonna twist them round. They're already starting to get ice cold. So one of the jobs of stirring it is already happening. And the second job of stirring is to slowly dilute it. And the third job of stirring is to mix. After 40 seconds of starting to stir, have your first taste. Back of my hand, ooh, still a bit too strong. Okay, I'm gonna try my dry. We'll go with this. Closer. What we're looking for is that it doesn't make you go, ugh. It makes you go, all right. Wet martini, perfumey. Couple more seconds. He's looking like he's ready. Check my dry. Yep, a little bit on the wet. Perfect. Now they're ready, they have to go, 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 go. Get rid of the ice in the cocktail glasses. Just like glassware, just like shakers, there are many different forms of strainers. Be it with a jam jar lid, the other side of your tin, with a sieve. We just want to keep the ice in and get rid of the liquid. We're gonna go for the pour. Stage one complete. I love dry martinis with a big zest of lemon on it. My zester, otherwise known as a potato peeler, and I'm actually gonna zest it over the glass. You get those initial oils as well, you're not losing anything. Pop that to one side and keep that. A olive for the dirty martini. And then for my wet martinis, I'm gonna use my lemon over the top, and then I'm gonna discard it. When you're dispersing the oil, I'm going all over the glass, not just one side. Just simply do this motion. A lovely oil will just coat that glass now. A little bit around the edge. I only want the initial nose on my wet martini. I don't want it to sit in there. I want to get all the benefits from the vermouth coming through. The one I put to one side, we're going to make look a little bit nicer. Same method as the wet, all the way around. Nice little curl. And I'm going to drop them in. Got a wet lemon oil, dirty with an olive, dry with a lemon oil dropped in. It's time for the taste test. It's so clean, so smooth. If I'd have shaken this drink, it would have some air to it and it'd almost be like, ugh. Because I've just stirred it down, it's got a lovely velvety texture. So much more to chew on. Lots of perfume coming through from the vermouth with this one. Clean and crisp, spicy and floral. Wow. Just that 15 mils of olive brine changes the game. And what I've got is way more syrupy texture. Salty, lovely savoury notes. It almost makes me want to have a bit of cheese or something with it. One drink, done 3 ways. Have a play at home. Let us know if you've done any twists, if you want to throw an orange zest on there, maybe a grapefruit peel. Always a winner. Let me know which one's your favourite. Mine today was the dry, but I'm dead excited to see what you guys come up with. Cheers, guys.